Just now, the Sterlit and as well as we are local, they have given presentation for sanitizing school premises and what are the requirements for the reopening of schools to control, to save from the China virus. We call it as China virus because the China, it is safe. China is safe now. And it has spread the virus to the entire world. There is some plot, there is some intention of the China is involved in it. And let us say popularly it is China virus, so that everybody should know about China. When come to the schools are concerned, our schools are budget schools, low budget schools. I don't know how much they charge. For us, price is concerned. We are local or Sterlit. Will you adopt our budget schools entirely to sanitize and to take safety measures for the children, those who come after school reopen? So you better give a quotation and minimum quotation, because we are already exhausted with financial resources. We are bankrupt now. We are almost bankrupt now. So for us, price is very much concerned and the children's safety is very much concerned. So you come out with a price, definitely our association, PSTs, they negotiate and they come to a price, then definitely we'll adapt and we'll hand over our premises to you to take care of our sanitization, to take care of the sanitization issue. We don't bother. But only thing is you quote minimum price, because as per student or per school premises or per classroom, whatever it may be, it all depends upon your cost. And for these 2-3 months, you take less profit. You take less profit and offer most competitive price to sanitize our school premises. I appeal to the We Are Local and Sterlit people. And when coming to the reopening of schools are concerned, we are very much worried. And the government, we should appeal the government to test before they enter into the school premises. The parents, the teachers and the students must be tested for the COVID, that RT-PCR test should be carried out to all the students, all the parents, all the teachers. So those who have negative report, only if we admit, we allow them into the classroom, that is safe for one issue. And another issue is, let us take as per the COVID guidelines issued by the central government, we should not force the students to come to attend the schools. It should be voluntary. The parents should give a declaration stating that their responsibility, and we should display the banners outside the school premises that the students are being sent to the classes, to the school, only on the parents' risk, but not on the management pressure. Because they can take care of their 2 children. They can take care of their 1 child, 2 child or 3 children very effectively. But we cannot take care of 200 students, 300 students per day. It is very difficult to take NMOS care. So we have to be very clarified. It should be clarified and it should be displayed outside, and the parents should be sensitized, students should be sensitized about the COVID norms, and they should have, because they should train their wards properly about the COVID norms. You know, in spite of training, and the students, they take it easy. and we ask the students to maintain 6 feet distance. They laugh at us, and they don't, they try to break out, they try to break it. So that type of attitude, it will be there in the students, and we should be very care enough to maintain in such situation. If something goes wrong, if some child is infected with virus, though it is not in the school premises, if it is infected outside, or if the child is infected through the parents, and simply the people are ready to blame us. Only the management irregularity, management carelessness, and immediately the print and electronic media enter into the premises, and they sensitize and they popularize the school management failure, about the school management failure. And immediately government immediately stands to cancel the recognition. These are all we have to face. And the government also should clarify, should assure us, the parents should assure us that we are not responsible, the management is not responsible. Because we take every care. Definitely we take care of our children, in spite of that, because of the mass gathering. But mass gathering means 50 students, 100 students, that itself is a mass gathering. And if you ask the students to leave the school premises by maintaining 6 feet distance, can it be assured? It is highly difficult. So something goes wrong. If something goes wrong, we should not be targeted. That assurance we should get from the parents, from the society, from the media, from the government. Then we should then jump into the action to reopen. Otherwise, it is very difficult. And though we are in financial constraints, our teachers are not being paid, or paid off, or paid partially. But though we have many difficulties, but in spite of that, this difficulty, this type of horrible situation, we should be ready, and it should not be we should not hold any responsibility regarding the sanitization. We take care, but let us not be blamed. That is my intention. Thank you very much.